Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make a Roblox Studio GFX. So here I have the base plate pulled up. When you go into Roblox Studio, you can choose if you can press new and choose if you want a base plate or whatever you want. Base plate is my favorite. You can use something else if you want, but yeah. So sometimes Blender GFXs are way better than Roblox Studio because of the lighting, especially. And that's not really very easily fixed, but I have something to improve the Roblox Studio lighting. So what you do, just go on the side and search up lighting, and then go in the Explorer and search up lighting, and then click on the lighting, and then when you go down, change the brightness to a full-on 10, and that doesn't look so good, but just do it and watch what just watch along, and you'll see why. So now let's just search up. So usually you can just use the select option to select the base plate, but it doesn't work here if it doesn't work for the base plate. But so you have to go in the Explorer and search up base plate, and when you click on the base plate, there's a blue outline around it. So you just press backspace and it's gone. So now let's add a part. Let's just add a little block and go to it. Some scale. So let's change it to a good old green. You can go more into detail with this, and we're gonna change the material to grass. And now we're gonna add our avatar. So you can always search up avatar in the side over here, and they have some pretty good avatars. My favorite is this one. I just like it, especially with the with the lighting high. It actually looks really good. So you can use that, or you can import an avatar of a real player or of your own, or your own avatar. So you can go into plugins over here and search up Moon Animator. You can also do Already Pro, but I personally like the Moon Animator better for GFXs. For games, if you're adding like your avatar in for games, Already Pro is better. So let's go into Moon Animator, and I installed it. So once you install, you can go into plugins over here, and you can go into character inserter. So I'm going to insert this character, and there it is. So as you guys can see, the lighting is very different when I have the lighting at 10. So let's see if the lighting wasn't at 10 and it was at 2, which is the default. So let's do lighting. It's a lot different. I personally like this way better. So yeah, now let's go in back to models and do bench. I like this bench. I'm going to take this, rotate it, and move this onto the bench. So now you can go over here, and when you click on your avatar, as you see, your the name of your character will be highlighted in the side. So you can click the arrow over here to make it down, and you have all the parts of your character. So let's do rotate and move this. Oh, that's the head. No, because I'm the hat is on top, so the head doesn't really move that top. Okay, so That's good. Now let's go to left arm. Left leg. And let's just put it up. And move. Sometimes it gets displaced and it's not on the body anymore, so you might have to move it up sometimes. And move it sideways. Left leg. And then the right leg can be rotated. And right leg again. And you can move it. So let's move it. Let's actually make the other arm waving. So let's take the right arm and rotate. Move. Actually, that looks really good. Okay, so guys, once you've got your GFX ready, you can mess around with the background in the toolbox. You can search up background, and you have many good backgrounds. I used an obby background here. If you notice, it's not in the thumbnail. I have just a normal background, but yeah, and then get to the right position and just simply take a screenshot. So guys, that's practically it. So please guys, hit that like and subscribe button. As you can see, my face is sticking out a little bit. I'll fix that. But yeah guys, bye!